YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. I saw this project making a ton of noise on Twitter. I'm only going to be covering projects that I see make a lot of noise, okay? Recently with what recently happened with Hong Kong being, you know, they don't have any more restrictions to buy and sell crypto. You know, it's not as, you know, enforced as it was because China cracked down on crypto a lot. Hong Kong aims to be the crypto hub, and you know, we've got recent news that Hong Kong can buy and sell crypto, trade without as much restrictions. So there's been a lot of Chinese or Asian meme coins that have popped up. You know, this is what we see these types of trends. But the same thing happened with Pepe, right? Pepe came out, then there was Bob, Mong, Ben, all these other meme coins that just popped up, and people that, you know, took the chance made a lot of money. Obviously there are losers as well, because crypto is player versus player, right? But if you play your cards right, you get in at a nice entry, take profits, leave a moon bag, let it ride. You play your cards right, you could be one of the winners in this PvP game that we call crypto, right? So in this video we're gonna be checking out Tuzki or Tuzki. I'm gonna say Tuzki, I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky, very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Tuzki is the most popular illustrated bunny character created by famous animator Momo Wang. $Tuzki, how to buy. Obviously, you guys already know. Get on Uniswap, get some ETH or get a MetaMask Trust Wallet, get on Uniswap, swap your ETH for Tuzki, 0% taxes, great stuff. Liquidity locked forever, right? So this is all community driven, liquidity locked forever, 0% taxes. I would think contract is renounced as well. Let's go to token sniffer. These are the type of meme coins I'll be happily like, oh, let me toss something at this, see what happens. Right? Let me toss something here, see what happens. No taxes, so it's not a tax free. 100 out of 100. No honeypot, none of that. Liquidity locked forever. Contract is renounced. No ownership of the contract. You know, these are the type of meme coins you take a chance on and be like, okay, you know, if it fails, it fails. That's all right. But yeah, these are driven by the community. The community keeps pushing the project. You know, it makes a ton of noise. It blows up. It blows up. It goes absolutely bonkers in the future, right? And we take a look at the chart. It's been pretty bullish, man. It's sitting at $2.71 million in market cap. Just yesterday, I think it was around 1 mil yesterday. So it's already up 2x, around 2x. You know, 137%, 100%. Yeah, around 100%. See that? Up around 2x from yesterday. And the chart looks pretty good, right? So this is why I'm bringing it to you, to your attention, guys. Let's check out the Twitter as well. 1,000 followers. Already making the memes. Already making the memes. Look at this, spreading that awareness. Tuzki. Buys coming in. Slumdoge Millionaire. Biggest and strongest meme community I've seen go crazy is Tuzki. Putting 2K into your project. You know? See how Slumdoge is diversifying into these projects. He's not going all in on one. He's putting like a rack, $1,000 here, $2,000 here, and he's bullish on it. So that's great sign, because you know he's, you know, you guys know him as the Doge guy, right? And let's not act like Doge is not gonna go back to its all-time highs, if not higher, in the next bull cycle. So he's gonna be a multi-millionaire when that happens. Right? So yeah, man, Tuzki community crushing it. A lot of engagement. Chinese whale, next 20 mil market cap. So yeah, guys, like I said, just manage your risk. If you do see this video and get into the project, be sure to take profits, don't sell your whole bag. Maybe take out your initial, and whenever it makes a move to the upside, you take out your initial, let the rest ride, okay? And that's how you play it. $3.97 million in trade volume. Insane. Absolutely insane. Again, 0 taxes, so you don't have to, as long as your slippage is low, as long as you have low slippage, you don't have to worry too much about MEV bots and failed transactions. It's only when you have taxes on tokens that's when you see failed transactions. What I like a lot is that tax farms aren't as popular anymore. We're seeing more 0 tax tokens come out, which is really nice to see for the space, okay? So if you hold Tuzki, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section below. Everything Tuzki and myself will be in the description. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become a Patreon, guys. Support the channel by becoming a patron. I have an exclusive Discord, us to come together, find these plays as early as possible. We share all our knowledge together. Early access to content, exclusive content. You know, I'll be making we'll be talking about all of these things in the Discord first before I make videos, right? All these projects in the Discord first before I make videos. So become a Patreon to get access to that. And yeah, shout outs to the Tuzki community. I want to see nothing but success for people in this space, man. This space is overrun with too much how should I say, scams. This space is overrun with too much terrible people, terrible human beings, greedy people. So it'd be nice to see a lot more winners than losers, because there's a lot of stories of losers in crypto. You just don't hear about it. You mostly hear about the winners, right? So yeah, Tuzki community, shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is your first time seeing the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.